Before you risk a single dollar in Forex, you need to master demo account. Too many beginners in Forex rush straight into a real account and blow their account, then quit. So, if you are a beginner, please make sure that you start using the demo account first before you go to a real account. Too many beginners, too many Forex beginners, they just go straight into real account or live account and they want to start making money, right? So once they blow their account, then they quit. They no longer want to trade Forex. They buy robots. Some of they pay for mentorship. Some of them, it's just a chaos. But I want you to actually understand this. Demo will assist you. You can get a demo account, right? Once you actually, let's do like this. Go to our YouTube channel, right? Search Bozza Trader and subscribe on our channel. Now you tap here. These are the brokers that I recommend that you can use to actually open your trading account. I trust you understand. Do not be downloading apps that I do not recommend, and then you actually now confused as to what's happening here. All right, if you are new. But if you are someone who's advanced, you can download these platforms if you know how to actually use them. Right, we have tutorials. If you confused as to Bozza, please make a tutorial about this platform, then let me know on the comment section below, and let me know your experience. Please share your experience about your trading experience. Please share it on the comment section below. Now, please make sure that you also join our WhatsApp group, free WhatsApp group, so that you can actually get updates. Now, I want you to understand this, right? A demo account will assist you to understand a lot size, which is the most important thing when it comes to Forex trading. I've seen traders right now we're trading on silver, right? Versus the US dollar. We go to section codes. We can select any financial asset that we would like. But I've seen traders making the mistake that if right now you're trading V75, which is Volatility 75 1S, or Volatility or any standard fixed indexes, right? They have some issues when it comes to a lot size. Even right now, if we would like to trade, let's say in the Nasdaq, let's go to our Blueberry markets. Let's log in. Now, some traders, they have some issues. This is a real account, by the way. Let's say right now we would like to trade the Nasdaq. Some traders, they don't really understand the parameters of the properties, right? Or parameters of a Nasdaq or any financial asset. If you're still new, you must make sure that at least you go to charts, demo account, not the real account. Then you practice buying, selling. Yes, you practice buying and selling, right? That's your first step. Once you've managed to buy and sell, you go to trade, section trade, and then you close. Let's go to a demo because I don't want us to mess with my real account. All right, we sign in here. Now, we go to chart. We can now we can buy, we can sell, buy. We are practicing to use the account. Now we can go to section trade and we are able to see the assets here. Can you see the asset, the losses that we're actually experiencing, and also the win here? The overall win here, it's a loss because it's on a minus. This is on a minus. This is now you practicing. Then what you can do for me, you go to section chart again. You see the bar here. You see this horizontal line here. You see the bar here, right? It shows you the lot size. You can tap here. This is MT5. You can only get this feature when you're using MT5. You can now practice what? You can now practice setting stop loss by just tapping here, and you see this horizontal line. You can tap and hold it the way that you like. If you're comfortable, you can click this arrow here, and then you're able to set it, right? Now we click here and we click modify, then the order will be modified, just like that. And if you do not see these lines, you tap here, you go to settings. If right now you're using iPhone, you do that. Make sure that your trade orders are checked here. Period separators are checked, right? And then you go back. That's it. Then you'll be able to see these lines. It's that simple, right? So the demo account will assist you to understand the environment before you go to trade. If right now you like to trade, let's say you like to apply a very same lot here, you might try to open chart, And when you're opening with this one, you'll see invalid volume. That is because you are trying to buy the asset using the invalid volume. Where you see the properties of an asset, you click code, you tap on an asset once, you tap once, then you tap on properties. If you're using MT4, you tap on symbol properties. If you're using an iPhone, you go to details, then you click here, right? And you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see minimum volume, maximum volume. I trust you understand. This is set by the broker. It's set by the broker. The broker is what we are using now to trade. We have Blueberry, we have IC Markets, we have also FXView, we have Deriv. So you can register your trading account by just going to our YouTube channel, tapping here, and register using these links that I provide so that you can go to the website. Once you register a trading account once. You don't register 2 times or many times, once. Next time what you do, you must make sure that you log in, right? You must make sure that you log into the account, because you don't need to register many times. And you must be 18 and above to start trading the market. So now you have your demo. You are practicing the buys and sells. You can now close. Once you close here, you close all the positions. You go to history. You'll be able to see this, that, oh, I'm making losses. Oh, okay, I'm charging swap. What is swap? You go to YouTube channel, Bozza Trader. You search the listing about swap and commission, the fees that we pay in trading, right? Now, this is where you monitor, where you check the history. This is like your bank statement. Trade, this is where you monitor whether you're making money or you're making losses. Charts, this is where you analyze the chart, and then you can buy, you can sell. How to know when to buy, when to sell? You go to YouTube channel again. We have a strategy that I share here. I share with you here. Bozza strategy. You can watch these tutorials, right? I provide these strategies so that you can use. You can also watch here, and I'll keep actually giving more tutorials as for you to learn the right information about trading the financial markets. So I trust you understand, right? Now, the most important part is practicing the lot size. Then, if you click buy, you tap buy, right? You see here, this is 0.05. This is the minimum lot that they actually allow you to actually start opening. This is the demo account, and you go to chart. You see here, you can tap now, tap SL. If you tap SL, you'll be able to see the value. This app will count the value automatically for you. It uses these 2 numbers, and then once it minus, it will actually have this number of points. Then it will take this number of points, times it with the volume. But there isn't a way the app does this, so you don't have to do much of work. You don't have to worry about that. What you have to know is that, please, if you're using this app, it will show you the value. If you're using MT4, it will not show you. If you're using MT4, it will not show you, so you need to do this manually. I trust you understand. Now, this is MT4. I have my Blueberry account linked here when I was actually doing some tutorials for you to understand how to connect the account to MT5 or MT4. So I trust you understand, right? Now you understand the value of the lot here, the volume, the lot size. If you don't know what the volume what I'm talking about, we have another tutorial on the channel. Please make sure that you watch that tutorial, all right? So this is the volume. I trust you understand. I believe everybody does understand what they need to do when it comes to trading the financial market in this way. So demo, you're practicing. You're not going to be able to withdraw this money. Even if you make profit, you're not going to be able to withdraw it, because it's a virtual money, the money for you to practice only, right? You can use also this feature here to buy, sell. You can also trade with, if you like to trade with the ZAR, you can sign into our FXView broker, and you can go to code section, and you can, these are the assets that we can trade. We can also add Nasdaq that we would like to trade. We can have Nasdaq here, US tech. We go back and we go to chart, and we can just click buy or sell, but let's adjust the lot size. When you go to codes, each and every asset has its own properties in different way. We have a contract that is different. We have the minimum lot that is different. You can see here it's 1 lot. Some of you will be scared, like, ooh, what's happening here? This is not the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually dangerous. You've seen traders having 0.001 just like this on Nasdaq, and here you have 1 standard lot. You're scared maybe you lose money. No, you're not going to lose money because brokers, they have working different on different contract size. So you go back, you can now click here, click chart, and then click buy. And then once you click buy like this, you'll be able to see this disclaimer, and then you click OK. And now you can click buy. Once you've actually made analysis, you can tap here, right? This is the minimum lot, and then you can scroll all the way down until you're comfortable. I want to lose this money. I'm comfortable losing this money. You tap on TP. I'm comfortable losing this money, but you must apply a strategy that I shared with you on our channel, YouTube channel, Bozza Trader. Now you can click this icon and modify the position, just like that. Now you can go to trade and monitor if you are making losses or you are making a win. And make sure that if you're asking me, Bozza, how do I know how much money do I need? This margin here will show you how much money you need, but it's not fixed. It's not fixed. The reason why it's not fixed is because the price is changing. When I talk about price, you see this red and green, or blue and red. This is the price, right? The red is price for buy, the green or blue is price for you to sell. So in between we have a spread. So if you'd like to ask me what is spread, what's happening here, we have not tutorial on the channel. Please watch that tutorial as to know what is a spread, what's happening with spread. So now you can practice with demo in this way. Practice a strategy. Don't rush into straight account. Just go to demo, start with demo. And if you're asking me based on my experience, I started using demo and then I went to a real account. So now you can actually monitor how much money you're making, how much money you are losing, right? And if you like to actually learn about these parameters, we have another tutorial on this channel. I explain that. What is this? What's happening here? You can go to codes, see the assets, and be able to trade it. It's that simple. So if you like to go now to real account, then you need to actually deposit money, use the brokers that I use, and open a real account. Now I provide tutorials for you, easy and straightforward. So let me know in the comment section below if you like to actually trade the financial market, and if it's something that you need to actually understand or you're still confused, and let me know. I love you all. Stay blessed. I will see you in another tutorial. And for now, that's all that you have to know, and I trust you understand. So this is how we actually trade the financial market, and you can trade with Blueberry, you can trade with IC markets, you can open your account with these brokers that I use. Stay blessed. I love you all. I'll see you in another tutorial.